Aging is often seen as an irreversible process, but science is now challenging this idea. Regenerative medicine, a field dedicated to repairing, restoring, and even reversing aging at the cellular level, is unlocking possibilities once thought to be impossible. Scientists are now exploring therapies that may regenerate tissues, restore youthful function, and extend lifespan. Let us explore these remarkable advancements. Stem cells, the body's natural repair system. Stem cells are the master cells of the body, capable of transforming into any type of tissue. When we are young, our bodies are rich in stem cells, allowing us to heal quickly. But as we age, stem cell activity declines, slowing our ability to repair damage. Scientists are now studying ways to reactivate and use stem cells for joint regeneration, healing cartilage, and reducing arthritis. Skin rejuvenation, stimulating collagen for youthful skin. Brain health, repairing neurons to slow cognitive decline. Peptides, the future of cellular regeneration. Peptides are small chains of amino acids that act as messengers in the body, signaling cells to grow, repair, and function optimally. Researchers are now exploring peptides for muscle recovery and strength supporting tissue repair and increasing endurance. Immune system rejuvenation, boosting the body's natural defense system. Collagen production, enhancing skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Gene therapy, the next frontier in longevity. Gene therapy is the modification of genes to prevent or reverse disease. Scientists are working on therapies that turn off aging genes that cause cellular damage, activate longevity genes that protect and repair DNA, modify telomeres, the protective caps on our DNA which shorten with age. What does this mean for the future? We are on the verge of a longevity revolution where aging may no longer be an unavoidable decline but a process that can be slowed, managed, and even reversed. While many of these treatments are still in research stages, natural regenerative practices, proper nutrition, fasting, exercise, and stress management already play a major role in supporting the body's ability to repair itself. The future is bright, dear students. Tomorrow, we will reflect on everything we have learned so far and how to create a personal plan for aging wisely. Until then, may your body regenerate and your spirit remain ageless.